that's not me being confident. That's being confident. And my mouth is really dry.
Purchase your tracks today.
Yeah. Lord told me it's my time now. So when you write, make sure you take the time out to show the other side of you that these people didn't know of. Well, shit, I guess they about to find out. Sometimes I'm socially depressed. There's been nights where I ain't hardly get no rest. I got this devil on my shoulder saying you ain't nothing yet. You ain't got no incentive, no drive to take you. And you scared to ask for help. So how you booking shows, shooting videos? Yeah, you making music, but how you getting numb? And you got your mixtape on your fucking phone. There's been so many chances you had to upload. Your album's gonna flop, I'm gonna let you know. And the writer's block is me, I'm fucking with you, bro. I see you got so much potential going down this road. And I don't wanna see you, so I ain't letting go. You gotta see this world is cold, it's zero below. We're all crabs in this bucket with this killer hole. Rather see each other die before our time to go. Prospectors underground that's looking for more. Unintelligent motherfuckers trying to break the mold. And it's a shame that your sister died at a young age. But you know when it's your time to go, it's your time to go. I feel the pain inside. Change my lane, I'm smooth taking this ride. I gotta change the game because the brothers never hold a peace. Well, see, I'm doing this shit for the poetry. Poetry, I feel the pain inside. I'm change my lane, I'm smooth taking this ride. I gotta change the game because the brothers never hold a peace. Well, see, I'm doing this shit for the poetry. Ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah. Yeah, yeah. Ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah, oh, oh. Ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah. Yeah, yeah. Wow, wow, wow.